Okay, this is to help you with using the calculator on the test. So if you go to the scratch pad, which I clicked right here, there's two scratch pads. There's a calculator scratch pad and there's a graphing scratch pad. We're going to use the graphing scratch pad, and by the way, to clear it out, you can just click on this little triangle and you can either press the letter, press the letter B on your keypad. Oops, I keep doing that. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, or you can just go down to where it says clear scratch pad and it will clear out your everything. Okay, you can also just click on this graph to get to the graph scratch pad. So I'm going to enter the two equations that I wrote down on the paper. 43,500 times 1.08 raised to the, and that is the button next to x squared. It's in red on the screen, the button that's red. Okay, raised to the x. And I'm going to press enter. Now, I'm not going to see anything because my graph is not set up. So I'm going to press menu, table, split screen table. Now I'm not worried about the graph today, so I'm just going to use the table and I'm going to go backwards to year 0. And my cousin actually started 3 years prior to me, so I'm actually going to go backwards to -3. Now I did not write these values on my notebook. I started with 43,500, but this is where I got the amount of money I was making. So there's your first equation. Okay, now to get out of that split screen table, just do menu, table, remove table. Okay, to get a new equation, you're going to press tab, and that says the second equation, f of x. Let's put in our other equation, 40,000 times 1.06 raised to the, so that button in red gives me the exponent, raised to the x. Press enter. We're not going to worry about setting the window for the graph. We're just going to go to menu, table, split screen table. Now it's going to show both of them, and I don't think they're going to be synced up. So let's see, year 0. So these are not, let's see, you might want to even erase that first one just so you don't get confused. Your cousin is starting at 40,000, but if you remember on my notebook, that was 2007. So this is 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. That's where your salary was 43,500. So you can't rely on the calculator to line things up for you. And I would just maybe do these one at a time. And you can get rid of an equation. Let's see, let's get rid of our table. So you can do this. You can press tab, press the up button. I'm highlighting it in red on the screen. Press it one more time, press up. There's your first equation. Unselect it. And then you could just do menu, table, split screen table. Oh, it's still got it on there. Okay, never mind. You can also just do Control T to get the table or to remove it. So as long as you've got the salaries for the years and you've got the equations, you're going to be okay on this. So use this video with a calculator. I am going to try to get class to do that before the test, and I think you'll be fine.